What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. And today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Pro. We're going to find out if this product is any good and see if it's worth the purchase or upgrade. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date each time I release a new vid. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right, so first things first, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the Samsung logo, as well as an image and name of the device. And finally, towards the back, you have some product features and additional technical information. Once opened, the first thing you will see is the earbuds case with the Earbuds Pro inside, followed by a small compartment which contains one USB-C cable to charge your earbuds, a tiny box containing some extra rubber ear tips which can easily change out, and finally, some user documentation. In regards to the product breakdown, the case weighs roughly around 45 grams, which is super light, and has a height and length of around 50 millimeters. The earbuds inside weigh around 6 grams and has a length of around 6 millimeters. The case itself is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and sturdy. On top, you have the Samsung logo. Towards the back, you have the USB-C input to charge your earbuds. Towards the back, you have the LED indicator light, which shows you the charge level of the case. Towards the bottom, you have some technical information. Now, one thing to note here guys, is that the case does support wireless charging, so if you have a wireless charger laying around at home, then you can easily charge your buds wirelessly too. Once the case is opened, you have your Galaxy earbuds, which have the default tips. Now, in my opinion, the earbuds do look great, but would prefer a matte look as opposed to the gloss finish. Each bud also has a left and right indicator, with an 11mm woofer inside. The ear tip also feels pretty secure and locked into place. Finally, you have an LED indicator light inside too, to show you the status of the earbuds themselves, as well as magnets to keep them in place while charging. The setup and pairing process is pretty straightforward. Once your phone is unlocked, open your earbuds case and a message should appear on your mobile phone asking you to connect to your Earbuds Pro. Select connect and your mobile phone will start adding your earbuds. It will then start to download the latest software and ask you to confirm, and that's pretty much it guys. Super easy and super quick. Now when it comes to the Galaxy Wearables app, once your earbuds are selected, you can view a bunch of information such as earbuds and battery case level, as well as enabling active noise cancellation and ambient sounds. You also have options to voice detect and block touches, and earbud settings which allow you to change and configure a bunch of features. Find My Earbuds to locate your earbuds if misplaced, which will require you to download the Find app, and finally, a user guide section. Now for some testing. I'm just going to use the earbuds for a week to find out what I liked and disliked about the Pros in comparison to the original Galaxy earbuds. Starting off with fitment, the Earbuds Pro do feel pretty secure and locked into place, especially when doing activities such as jogging and during my time at the gym. I never experienced the earbuds dropping out even while I was sprinting during my jog. However, in my opinion, I do prefer the fitment of the original Galaxy buds, especially on the top area where the headphones sit. I did try changing the ear tips with the other ones included inside, which did help, but still preferred the overall fitment and feel of the original earbuds. Now, when it comes to sound quality, I really do see the difference here guys in comparison to the original earbuds. When listening to music, you really do hear the 11mm woofer built inside and notice the bass. Even during calls, the sound quality is really good and the noise cancellation is much improved here, although the quality could be due to my reception being really good at the time of testing. However, from a sound quality perspective, I don't see any issues here. Speaking of noise cancellation, the Earbuds Pro are really good here and do an awesome job blocking outside noises. While testing inside the house and conversating with people, I honestly couldn't hear a single thing. However, more louder noises like vacuum cleaners and cars passing by outside were picked up ever so slightly, but not enough to put you off. When taking the train to central London, the noise cancellation did help with minimizing the train noise when going underground and literally blocked off any outside noise while I was shopping. Now, in terms of battery life, the box does state a runtime of 5 hours from the AirPods and an additional 18 hours from the case. However, during the week, after using the earbuds for calls and music, I found myself charging the earbuds once during the week, which wasn't bad at all. Finally, when testing the touchpads of the earbuds to control music and calls, the Earbuds Pro worked perfectly fine here, although, as mentioned previously, due to the gloss design, I did find myself cleaning them more often in comparison to the original earbuds matte design. In regards to the technical details, the earbuds Pro come with two-way speakers to illuminate rich sound quality and active noise cancellation, which works really well. The earbuds are also IPX7 waterproof rated, which means that the earbuds can be submerged up to 1 meter in water for 30 minutes in case you wanted to do so, and has a runtime of 5 hours per charge. Each earbud contains an 11mm woofer built inside to provide great sound quality. You also have ambient sound mode, which can be enabled via Wearables App, which clarifies your voice, making it perfect for calls, and Bluetooth 5.0 to enable a stable connection. Finally, the earbuds have a 58mAh battery built inside, as well as a bunch of sensors which can be enabled via touch, such as Bixby. Overall, taking everything into consideration, is the Galaxy Buds Pro worth the purchase and upgrade? Well, in my opinion, the answer is yes. The sound quality you get with the new Buds Pro is awesome, and the noise cancellation feature works really well. When testing different genres of music, the quality you get is really good, and the bass woofer built inside is awesome. Battery life is acceptable and perfect for long-time use. Taking calls on the Buds Pro works perfectly fine, especially when enabled with ambient sound. My only complaints regarding the Buds Pro was mainly due to the fitment. However, Samsung do provide a bunch of ear tips, which will hopefully solve that issue for you. Finally, I do wish the earbuds were done in a matte finish as opposed to gloss to avoid them becoming a fingerprint magnet. However, drawbacks aside, the Galaxy Earbuds Pro are a great pair of headphones and something you should definitely look into. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Galaxy Buds Pro from Amazon for around £110, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Buds Pro, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.